Located at the westernmost side of Yangshan Deepwater Port, Shanghai Yangshan Phase 4 Automated Terminal is the largest single-unit automated container terminal with the highest degree of comprehensive intelligence. With a historic leap in terms of quality and quantity, Yangshan Phase 4 is supported by the key role of fully automated intelligent terminal operation system. This made-in-China system has not only broken the monopoly of foreign technology, but also realized higher efficiency.
这套系统成功的开发和应用，填补了我国在自动化码头建设方面的技术空白。这套系统现在已经输出到了以色列海法等14个国内外的自动化码头。特别是2021年9月1号正式开港的我们上港集团的以色列海法新港，复刻了很多我们洋山4期的技术亮点，应该说实现了我国首次向发达国家输出我们中国的智慧港口的一个先进技术和管理经验。